In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase and decrease font size in Google Forms. It's a valuable skill to have, especially when you want your forms to be visually appealing and easy to read for all users. Whether you're creating a survey, a quiz, or a simple RSVP form, adjusting the font size can enhance the overall readability and presentation of your form. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by typing Google Forms into the search bar and selecting the official link. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, you might need to sign into your Google account if you haven't done so already. Keeping your credentials handy will make the process smoother. Now that you're signed into Google Forms, select the form you want to work on. You can create a new form by clicking on the plus icon, or you can choose an existing form from your list of documents. Either way, ensure that you have access to the form's editing interface. This is where the magic happens. In the form editor, you'll notice a variety of tools and options. To change the font size, you'll need to use the theme customization section. Look for the palette icon on the right-hand side of your screen. Clicking this icon will open the theme customization panel, which allows you to modify various aspects of your form's design, including the font size. Once the theme panel is open, navigate to the section labeled Text Style. Here, you'll find options to adjust the font type, size, and other text properties. It's worth experimenting with different sizes to see what fits best with the overall design of your form. Keep in mind the purpose of your form and your target audience when choosing the appropriate font size. A larger font might be preferable for audiences that include people with visual impairments, while a standard size could be more suitable for general use. After you've selected the desired font size, preview your form to ensure everything looks correct. You can do this by clicking the eye icon at the top right corner of the form editor. This will show you how your form appears to respondents, giving you a chance to make any necessary tweaks before finalizing. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to save your work. Google Forms typically saves your progress automatically, but it's always a good idea to double-check. Share your form with others by clicking the Send button, where you'll find options to share via email, link, or embedding. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to increase and decrease font size in a Google form. By customizing the text to your liking, you'll create a more engaging and accessible form experience for everyone. Thanks for watching, and happy form designing.